Greetings fellow adventurers, my name's Stuart for Via Travelers. We're going kayaking today on the Namakagon River in northern Wisconsin, and we're also going to do an unboxing and an unbiased review of the MSR Gravity Water Purifier. Stay tuned. There's Margot, who we will not be reviewing. No, no, come on. Bald eagle. Some quality National Geographic stuff here. Okay, so this is what the MSR Guardian Gravity Purifier box looks like. Tells you everything you need to know. Ideal for travelers, groups, and emergency prep. Made in the USA. Eliminates up to 3,000 plastic water bottles, 1 litre plastic water bottles, so it's good for the environment in that regard. And makes up to 1 litre of clean drinking water in 2 minutes with no pumping required. Tells you everything you need to know here, the viruses and bacteria, protozoa that it eliminates. So yeah, let's take a look inside. Straight away you see that it comes in this nice carry bag, feels very lightweight. I like this sort of Oxford weave style cloth. Feels quality, feels like it's built to last. Good quality zip, logo on the front, looks smart. And inside we have an instruction manual sewn in, which is good, so it doesn't get lost. It's good for me. Another instruction manual here. Set that aside, and this is what it looks like. Let's just unravel this. Feels good quality. This is the filter, the outflow pump here, I think. And the hardware looks good, feels solid, as you would expect from an MSR product. So I'm going to learn how to use this. We're going to get on the river, going kayaking today in our inflatable kayaks, and we will test it out and we'll show you what it's like in a few moments. See you in a bit. Okay, so first you're going to want to fill the bag from your chosen water source. Close it like you would a dry bag. And then finally hang it from a tree from a suitable branch. When the bag's hanging up, you open the purge valve and clean the system of bubbles and foam. Ready? Take off the cap, put it on or over your drinking receptacle, in this case a glass, and open the valve, and you will have clean, filtered drinking water. This is what we started with, and this is what we finish with. Cheers. Yep, tastes like water. Okay, so final thoughts on the MSR Guardian Gravity Purifier. Do I recommend it? Yes, I do. It's a little bit of a learning curve for me. I've never used anything like this before. Took a few moments just to get it right, but once you do, it's pretty straightforward after that, I think. It's the only gravity purifier recommended for use or approved for use by the US military. Is it for me, someone like me who's a solo traveler a lot? Probably not. Is it for big groups and families? Yes, or
say if you're staying somewhere with dirty water for a long period of time, if you're going in a place where you might be spending a lot of time near drinking water that's a bit questionable, then this is definitely something for you. Super lightweight, super quality, thumbs up, highly recommended.